This is our very first look at the Insta360 X6. It was leaked just a few days ago, and as you can see, it features a completely new design compared to the X5. For the first time since the first Insta1 X, it has a fully redesigned shape, with a much smaller frame and a lighter design. It's one of the most interesting camera releases of the last few years, I'd say, since it actually brings meaningful upgrades compared to the X5, not only on the outside. The first one is definitely the outer design, as I've already pointed out. The X6 doesn't have that tall rectangular shape anymore, instead is closer to the GoPro Max or Osmo 360. Now the weight is far better distributed when it's mounted, and as we'll see, it doesn't compromise on performance at all. The only downside of a design like this is the screen, which is noticeably smaller, and it even integrates digital buttons to start recording and to manually change the lens. That's not really a problem, since there are new physical buttons on the side, including the power switch and the dedicated record toggle, which weren't there on the X5. However, a bigger screen might have been useful in some scenarios. Another thing that appears to be upgraded massively is the microphone system. Right above the screen, there are two new microphones, along with another one here below the lens, and two more on the sides. The main changes, though, come with the camera, and this is where it gets really interesting. The X6 will be powered by two 42 megapixels, 1/1.1 inches sensors that will record in 8K at 50 frames per second, while capturing 120 megapixels 360 photos. For reference, the X5 had 1/1.3 inches sensors that could reach up to 30 frames per second in 8K. Now the X6 can do slow motion captures in 8K at 25 frames per second, and it can even record using just one lens in 5K at 60 frames per second, and in 4K at 120 frames per second. According to the latest WinFuture report, Insta360 declares support for 10-bit, Dolby Vision, and iLog formats. The battery also seems to be far better despite the size. According to WinFuture, the X6 will be able to record for up to 230 minutes. The X5 could record for 208 minutes in 5K. So we're probably looking at a 20 to 30 minutes increase. It's clearly a very significant upgrade compared to the X5, and it definitely sets the bar high for the competition now, whose main advantage will be the price. In fact, according to WinFuture, there will be a €100 increase in price, reaching €700 for the base X6 and €800 for the Essentials package. What do you think? Is it actually worth the price difference? Let me know in the comments and make sure you're subscribed to not miss all the upcoming updates.